If you know nothing about 3D printers and how to set one up and how it would be useful and fun for your kids, this video is for you. I also didn't. I found myself to be a little bit techie, but I had never used one of these and my kids asked for one for Christmas. So let me show you a little bit about it. So here is the Xmaker Joy AI. I got this model because I read great reviews about it, and I thought it would be easy enough for my kids to use on their own. My kids are 6, 9, and 12 years old, for reference. So basically, this is how it works. It's pretty easy setup. There are good directions to kind of set you up with how this works and how do you install and change out the filament. So basically, filament looks like this. This is a thin plastic tube that runs through the machine, and it melts it and creates the toys that you want it to. So you start by turning the machine on. There is a button in the back. And you'll see the inside of the machine. Now it has this safety window that you open up. There is the plate that everything is created on right here. So the machine creates all your plastic tubing from here, and that's where it comes from. You turn the machine on, it'll start to warm up. There's a camera on the inside right here. And so when you're using the app, you can actually see everything being made right from the app through the camera, and I'll show you that in a moment. So really neat, you just shut this door. You're gonna have an app downloaded on your iPad, just in case you're wondering. We use Kindles for our kids, and this was not available on their Kindles. Okay, so you're gonna open up the app and it looks like this. It's showing you here that your machine is available and set up and ready to go. And it's as simple as this, a really simple screen where you can pick and decide which toys you're gonna make for your kids, or they're gonna decide on their own, because it's really simple and all kids kind of know how to use this kind of function on an iPad. It's simple for them to do. So when you click into it, it'll tell you how long it takes to run and make that. And things are sometimes 20 minutes and they run many, many hours. We made one thing yesterday, it took over 7 hours. So let's look at some quick prints and see if we can make something cute and fun. I think let's try a lucky clover. This says that it'll take 3-leaf clover or a 4-leaf clover. Let's try the 4-leaf clover and see. Prepare to print. So it's going to show you this setup here and what it's going to look like when it's being created. There are some different options here under settings. I haven't played too much with that yet, but it's fun to know that there are different things you can do. There are different color filaments you can use. Right now in my machine, I have a rainbow colored one in there. So it should change colors on its own. I'm gonna do mine as a standard print. Hit print. It's gonna show me the filament's already loaded, the base plate is in. I'm gonna say yes. Check that off that it's ready. And it's showing me that it's gonna take 30 minutes. And I'm gonna hit print. The machine is getting itself ready. So it's going to heat up, get itself into position, and everything is automated. Really, really simple. The kids have a lot of fun watching this go, or they leave it and they know they can come back and see it at any time. And the machine will also start beeping when it's completed so that they know it's ready to come in and take out their creation. And then if you have your iPad with the app open, which you need to leave open while it's working, you'll see that the camera is filming exactly what's going on inside your machine, which is cool. And it'll also tell you how much time is remaining and what percentage of your project is completed. So now you can see that it has completed the heating process and it is starting to create the bottom layer of the project. Here we are halfway through. Let's get a close-up of the machine. Oh, neat. Almost done, almost done. Okay, the process is completed. Yay! So we're going to open up the door. You do want to be careful because it's hot up here, so you want to supervise your kids with this. But this part here is not hot. So you're going to take this out and you're going to peel this away from the actual magnetic board. Here's the results of that. So this is pulled away. And then what you do is you peel all this off. So this does something with helping the machine set up exactly where to create your project, but you remove this. This is just extra plastic, and discard it. And then you're gonna put your board back in your machine to get it ready for your next project. But all in all, super simple to use. You turn it off with the power button in the back and you're done.